All right, in this tutorial, we're going to go over how you can use the point of sale to decrement inventory and then add it back as a separate item. So oftentimes, for example, if you have a kit that you have certain cuts of fabric that you put into that kit, or you're making a fat quarter bundle, you can use the point of sale to quickly go through and make that inventory move. So what a couple of things that have to happen before you can do this. You have to have the product created that you want to turn this inventory into. So in our case, we have a kit, and we're going to call it this Aloha Bears Brown Sugar and Honeycomb kit. So, and we want to make 5 of those today. So I need to, first off, I'm putting them back into my inventory. So what we need to do is hit the negative button, and then however many we're going to do. I'm going to make 5 of these kits today with the fabric. And so from here, I can just go through and choose the different fabrics that I'm using, or different items. They could be whatever it is. This could be a bundle or a kit that we're putting together. But I'm going to say, look, to make 5 of these, I've got my 3 fabrics, and of this one, I need 4 units or 4 yards. And this one I need 2.5 to make 3 of them, and this one I need 1.5. So what we want to do here, though, is we want to put everything in at 100% discount, because we don't want to be charged taxes and have that in our tax calculation and everything. So we need to discount each line item individually. And so you can just go through and discount each one of these through. And once you've done that, your total should be 0. Now, I would recommend, and this is totally up to you, so from here on out, it's kind of up to your recommendation, selecting a customer and creating one that's called in-store kitting or something like that, and saving that. This is in my demo environment, so obviously it didn't like that. Oh, I need some date. We're going to make that, oh boy. In the past somewhere, and there we go. So now I've got that, so I can track, at least, we can kind of track everything we want to in there. And then from here, we can just go to our payment and validate that. And what that will do is it'll create the entry. So we'll add 5 of these kits into inventory, and it will remove however many yards or units that we use to make that from inventory. So that, from there, you're ready to go. That's made those inventory moves and set everything up just the way that you need it. As always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to answer them as best we can, and we look forward to helping you in the next tutorial.